Naghimo-himo mi TikTok gabi katong it's my birthday. And then na-delete mo yung video. So, muna ni, wa man ko na-delete ang video. My daughter. Oh guys, na ako'y flower. Look at these. So pretty. Oh, it smells so good. Guys, ang bango ng flower. Yan. Saan yung oras? Ag-videohan kay wala man na-delete. Ako na lang gikuan oy. Ako na lang gipadayon. It's another day. Tanaw guys ang gawas. Nindot kayo ron magkuan. To the lake. Mag-lake niyo niya guys. Mga unsa mi. Kain muna kami. But before that, kailangan kong maligo kay lisod po og mag-ingani akong buhok. Hindi pala sa akin bagay yung kulot.
Today is...
Kasi malapad yung mukha ko. At pag kulot, salot. Joke. Wait lang guys. Ito yung binili ni Hana kahapon. Oh.
Napayduhan.
Crumble cookie. Crumble cookie. Kaya pala text ako ng text sa kanya. Kasi usually, dumarating siya dito. 4:08. Tapos 4:20 na. Wala pa siya dito guys. Kaya text ako ng text. Nasaan ka na? Ba't di ka sumasagot? Ganun. Yun pala, nalobat. Nalobat siya. And then, pagbaba niya ng bus, school bus, dumiretso siya sa crumble cookies. Kasi yung crumble cookies, ang lapit-lapit lang sa may babaan ng bus. School bus niya. Tapos, bumili siya nito. There's more. Di pa kami Di pa kami nag-almusal si Kaysan. Kaysan! Ayaw niya mag-video. Mukhaan ko kuan guys. Rice. And adobo. Adobo nga kuan. Manok. Unya gisagulan og atay. Yum! Dahil sa work ko before guys, yung elbow ko ang sakit. Hindi ko kayang magbuhat ng pag nagbubuhat ako ng paganyan. Masakit yung dito ko. Itong dalawang elbow ko masakit. Tofu! Guys. Tingnan niya. Adobo. With kape. Chloe! This is our dog, Chloe! Nakalimutan niyang tanggalin yung leash.
Pinagawa sa'yo.
Malapit na yung bakasyon ng mga bata. So, makakapag ano na ako vlog nang kasama sila.
It's hot.
It's hot?
It's not so hot. It's not hot.
Ang daming naligo, guys. Hindi namin alam na ano na pala, bukas na yung lake. Ayan o. Pwede ka nang maligo ba? Kasi last week, nung pumunta kami dito, hindi pa siya open. Pwede ka mag-fishing doon. Oh, the water is clear now. No, like clear. Ang dami nang naligo. Don't
Why is it?
wet your shoes.
Why is it funny?
Hana. Hana, eh. Ligo kan?
Pamatay si Resort.
Kapag inana na lang. Sana all sexy. Siksik at liglig. Ah, the bird! May alon din pala yung lake, no? Kasi yung hangin. Where? Merong nagkayak, guys. Ayan, oh. Look at that flower.
Hi guys. Look at this hair.
That flower is so pretty.
Hair I haven't seen. We got it.
Yeah, we bring our chair. Kay kapoy lingkod sa kuan, daplin. This is so pretty too. Look. Ice cream. They have like ice cream. Look like school bus, but it's ice cream.
There. Why is
Dito na kami, guys. Ayan yung tubig. Si Kaysa, nagubad na ng medyas. Why you remove your socks? You wanna go in the water?
Yeah.
Go.
Feels hot.
It's not hot. Try it. Hana, go swim, Han. Pantalon. Dito lang kami. Kaysan. Not too deep. Basa na dito ni Ron. We did not bring clothes and towel. Ah, there's a baby duck. Look at that baby. It's a geese and there's a baby. Ah.
It's gonna attack you.
Okay.
Can do
Oh,
like this.
it's so cute. How many baby? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're trapped. They don't know where to go. Meron din dun, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Guys.
Lumalangoy.
They look like they're plastic.
Yeah. They look fake. But they're real.
They're so shiny. God is shiny.
They're in the water. Ah, that was so cute. Look, Isan, they know how to swim. baby. Look at that baby.
I can hit that baby.
That's really cute. Where are they going?
The other side.
Go on.
Look at that dog. Good girl. Good girl. Ay, hindi na nakatiis si Kaysan. Nag-loop-loop na. Hindi na natiis. Tingnan natin kung sinong lalamigin mamaya. Naagay makalangoy ani. Kaysan! Oh. Where are you going, Han? Asa man ni Sana? It's so unplanned, guys. Nag-imot-imot na po ni Sana, oh. Sa kay kuan ani. Ganap ani niya.
I'm tapping in the water.
Unsa may nakauni mo? Para tong usa, oh. Tingnan niyo yung isa, guys. Oh, ano ding nakain nun? Ha? Kaysan, not too deep. Nag-CR sila, guys, si Hana. I'm just talking to myself. Talking sa ano, sa alon. Ayan. Na sana one day lahat ng mga dream ko at pangarap ko sa buhay ay lahat yon matupad. Because I was manifesting it for how many years, no? Sana ito na talaga yung year ko na parang breakthrough kung tinatawag nila. You know? Ang tagal-tagal kong hinihintay yung breakthrough na yon, and I can feel it na this year siya mangyayari. I can sense kasi sa mga sign na nararanasan ko, I'm into growth, you know, like growth mindset. I keep improving myself, and I'm into peace right now. Yung peace lang, happy lang. I know Gemini is always overthink. Kilala tayo dyan, mga Gemini. But what keeps me stop from overthinking is I'll just trust in God. Ibibigay ko lang lahat. Yung mga iniisip ko, yung mga plano ko, lahat-lahat ng mga decision ko, I will just leave it to God. Because I couldn't handle it all. Hindi ko kaya siyang handlein ng ako lang. So, you know, I feel like everything is like divine, para siyang divine guidance. Parang yun yung nafe-feel ko. Pero, yun guys, I'm in peace, still healing, but I'm happy where I am now. I'm just so lucky that I'm in this situation right now na nakakatulog na kami ng hindi natatakot. You know, hindi kagaya dati na konting kaluskos, yung ang dami mo na kaagad iniisip, takot ka na kaagad, hindi ka makakatulog ng mahimbing. But now, I sleep like a baby.
I just use the blow dryer to make my clothes dry.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. I sleep like a baby, guys. Ang aga-aga kong natutulog. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Ay, naku, tulog na ako niyan. And then, no bad dreams. I just sleep the whole entire night. Nagigising ako around 5 or 6. Which is, kailangan kong mas magising pa ng mas maaga. Like 4 o'clock to go to the gym. I'm still breaking those cycle, you know, yung dating ako na gusto kong baguhin. But I'm still recovering from like working night shift. Parang natakam ako sa tulog. So this week I just sleep early and I feel really good. I feel good, full of ambition and purpose. Dito na sila. Umihi si Kaysan? Hindi. Uy! Oh, nakisali na ako. Guys, tingnan nyo. Look at this. We're in the water now. Para ma-feel namin yung ano, yung wave ng tubig. It's really amazing.
The sound of the water is so nice.
Yung ano, it's so calming. Napaka-calm ng tubig. Pauwi na kami guys, kay ano, nilalamig na si Kaysan. Ayun oh, sa likod. Bye! See you in my next vlog. Bye!